vlog. This is me, Venice, and this is my friend Lance.
Hello guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, this is a super cool video.
Yeah, we are collecting cars in this vlog. And so the first car is this truck. This is color black. There's a 6 wheels and the red, this red. And the second is taxi. The taxi is color yellow, but the taxi is the original color is of taxi is white, right? But this is yellow. Think about it. And this is a motor. I don't know who is these people.
That is Jackie
And this is the Jollibee car. Yeah, this is Jollibee. If you want Jollibee, just like and subscribe. And this is, I don't know what is this.
A rocket ship.
Yeah, a rocket ship. And this is a small fire truck.
And this too.
Yeah, this is a small fire truck. It's so cute. And this is the last. No, we have this and this. And this is the monster truck, monster car without one wheel. But this is also amazing. It's color yellow. And this is the blue helicopter or airplane. And this is our
Boat truck.
another boat truck. This is color red and this is color blue. Maybe this is ruined. Yeah, it's ruined look because we have a wall here. And I guess this is enough. See you.